Good morning folks, it's Prepper Al here again, and it's an absolute beautiful sunny morning here in Scotland. Absolutely fantastic. It's roughly 9 o'clock now and I've already been up and away to my work, did my shift and came back. Happy days. So I've made 2 videos over the past couple of days about my growing potatoes and my first harvest and my second harvest, and I actually did a third harvest yesterday, but in my excitement I actually forgot to video it. So if you look at my old videos of growing potatoes and my first and second harvest, you'll see the plant pots all big and bushy with the potato plant, and now I've no potato plants. So I first harvested this pot, got a nice crop out of that. That was a meal for 2 in there, lots of potatoes. And then harvested this big red tub. I got quite a lot out of that. That was my second harvest, the second potato harvest video I did. And then last night I harvested this wee basket and the big pot. And I'm going to show you how many potatoes I got just out of these 2 pots alone. I was very surprised at how much actually came out of this daft wee basket, and I was very impressed with what happens in here. So one big tub, you see that tub, it's not that huge, just a normal plant pot, big plant pot, and that's just a wee, was actually a wee toiletry basket. But anyway, here's all the potatoes I got out of these 2 last night. Look at that, absolutely awesome. Your salad, baby potatoes, whatever you want to call them, whatever they're advertised as in your local area. Yeah, you've got these wee buggers, you know, but you know what? You can still boil them and eat them. My wife actually, from the big red pot there, she made homemade soup, and she chopped all these up, but she just threw these ones, the small ones, whole in the soup, you know. But look at that. That's a meal. That would do a meal for 2 days. You know, as part, I would say, yeah, you could half it again, and then you've got your potatoes for at least 2 people for 2 meals easily. Because then you've got to add on your sweet corn, your carrots, and maybe your meat option, whether that be your corned beef, your spam, tinned ham, tinned stew. Oh, that sounds good actually, eh? Tinned stew, potatoes, some carrots and sweet corn. I know what I'm having for my dinner today. So I just wanted to make a quick wee third harvest video just to let you see exactly how much potatoes I got out of my remaining 2 pots. I wish I had made a video now, because I like to show you the evidence, you know, but I've never ever lied in any of my videos. I've never ever fabricated anything or exaggerated anything. That's the potatoes that came out of those 2 pots there. I'm going to show you my carrot plants, because these are absolutely coming along awesome. Look at these carrot plants. I'm very impressed with these. As I said in one of my other videos, I'm going to have to repot them at some point. So a shout out to Glenda there. She gave me a few ideas what to do with the carrot plants in the winter. Yeah. And another shout out to Glenda. I'm actually starting to experiment with the ends of carrot tops. So the theory is that you take the ends of the carrot tops, put them in water, let the sunlight do its job in the water, and they'll start sprouting and turn into carrot plants like what you've just seen outside. So anywho, right, that was just another wee update video. I better get these potatoes before the beasties get at them. And there's my carrot plants. Right, so a beautiful sunny day in Scotland here. This is Prepper Al signing off, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.